Where did that blast come from?
It's magic. Is someone fighting? Out of my way! Coming through! Yeah! 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 Take that! Yeah!
Verna, look! These rocky manders.
Grilled to perfection. A beautiful golden brown. Who could have done such a delectable, I mean, heartless thing?
That's hot! Flare, control your flames already! You did that on purpose, didn't you? How many times do I have to tell you just because
they fighting?
Flare doesn't mean you need to flare up all the time?
Excuse me, are you two?
Huh? Who are you?
We're adventurers from Monster Tamers.
Oh yeah, you're a backup, right? I'm Reyna of the 9th Brigade of Solar Knights. And this reckless pyromaniac over here...
The name is Flare. Why are you staring like that? First time seeing a Night Magus.
That makes sense. that blast earlier.
Yep, that's right. If something blew up or went ablaze, that was her.
They were coming at us. What was I supposed to do?
Wait. Weren't you tracking some religious order?
A religious order? More like a cult.
We were actually in the middle of tailing a suspect.
But we lost them when the Rocky Manders got in our way.
I see. Is there anything we can do to help?
Of course. Let's keep moving. That way.
Move out of the way! I'm trying to grill it in one go.
Flare, easy. Please take it easy with the flames.
Fly Dragon! The cultists went this way. I saw them.
Oh? I thought you were busy grilling that Rocky Mander. When did you see that?
You two are working together, right?
There we go. I'm done grilling.
Were you planning to burn down this whole area? Are you sure you're after the cultists?
Over there! I was right.
What is she doing?
Looks like shady magic. Shall I burn her?
No burning, we need her!
Shh, quiet.
What's that?
That's gotta be her, all right. Stop right there!
Who are you? You see? I should have burned her.
All right, ready to get going? Yeah! Woo!
Let's do this.
Dealing with a problem means getting rid of it.
Finally.
What do I need to do? Found your weak spot. Double slash. Clear. Vanishing darkness. Vanishing darkness. Dang it!
You can trust me.
Not on my watch.
Quiet in the clinic.
My turn to shine. I'll pierce you. Tuh. Huh? Tuh. Ha. Huh. Tuh. Tuh. Ah. Ha. Tuh. Tuh. Now, let's get this party started. You'll be frozen solid. I'll pierce you. Ha. Tuh. Tuh. Huh? Ha. Tuh. Huh? Ha. Oh! Tuh. Stop there! Ha. Tuh. Strah. Tuh. Tuh. Ha. Strah. Tuh. Oh! Tuh. Ta. Tuh. Ha. Tuh. Huh. Tuh. Oh! Time to lock in. Wahoo! Piece of cake.
Phew, we won. What's got them all riled up?
Corruption makes monsters become violent.
It's exactly like our mission brief. Ecological disruption. Well, I think we found our culprit.
All right, ready to get going?
What is it?
All right, ready to get going?
Oh, need a prescription? Oh my, how cute!
Whose power should I borrow this time?
I had no idea such a thing existed. That helps. Anything you give me is more valuable than anything else in the world.
Whoa! When did I get that? Yeah! Woo!
We just need to catch her now. Let's go.
Hold on! Quiet! There, it's her.
She's looking this way. Hide!
Get into that chest.
Whew, that was close. Wait, why is she coming this way?
I thought I heard something in here. Friar Ragdoll? No? What could it have been? Oh, am I late? Ragdoll? Maybe an accomplice? We should capture them both at the same time.
Ah! She's running! She's gone. What the heck?
Could she have noticed us tailing her?
We should have just jumped her back there.
Dang it, where did she go? Oh, there.
You look suspicious enough. Stop right there!
Why are you chasing me?
Why are you running away?
Why wouldn't I run? You're running after me!
Got you.
Please spare me!
Siamese?
Looks like you've got an accomplice. Hands up!
Wait, there's been some kind of misunderstanding.
You two are under arrest for ecological...
Be quiet. Please.
Ouch!
Commotion is strictly prohibited in this inn.
Commander?
Commander? Commander Esther?
Sorry, you're mistaken.
Commander! Oh, what happened? And what are you wearing?
She left without a word. Disappeared! Until we find her here, posing as a maid.
I'm not posing. I'm actually working as a maid. At any rate, causing a ruckus in the inn is not acceptable.
A ruckus? We're on a mission.
We're here to arrest some cultists up to no good.
Are you referring to my guests here? Wait just a moment. I'll serve some tea.
So you see, we are priests of the feline order. Devotees of Big Cat.
What? A cat? Called it cult.
But what about that minotaur?
That was a ritual to purify the void. It failed, though, because somebody...
Why, you?
As I said before, don't cause a ruckus. These two are guests and well known at the Maid and Clover Inn. They haven't caused any problems during their stay with us. I will vouch for them.
Enough! How long are you going to pretend we're strangers?
What do you mean?
You left so suddenly, and now you're acting like you don't know us! I thought of you as family.
Oh, Esther, do we have more guests? Welcome back, Miss Nia.
Who's she?
Alright, ready to get going? Alright, we're gonna need way more monsterlings. Success! I'm so much stronger now. Lucky Duck Cloud strikes again! Alright, ready to get going?
I'm Mia, the owner of the Maiden Clover. Nice to meet you. You must be guests of Esther.
They're just passing through.
All those who visit our inn are to be welcomed as guests. I'll give you some space. Please, make yourselves comfortable.
Miss Nia!
Esther, show these people proper hospitality. Perhaps they'd like a tour of the town?
Yes, Miss Nia. Follow me. Miss Nia commands, and I must obey. Afterwards, please leave quietly.
I can't believe you!
Yo, Esther, my girl! Are you off for groceries again?
I'm giving some guests a tour of the town.
Oh, word. Oh, Esther, we might need some cleaning soon?
Cleaning? What does that mean?
Don't worry about it.
Huh? Is this your first time visiting? This town's got 2 eras. Before Esther and after Esther.
Garp,
All right, I'll chill.
we'll be off now.
Something's up. Cleaning? Seriously?
I don't know what you mean.
Esther, thank you for that eel pie. It was delicious. Eel pie? You cooked something yourself, Commander?
Yes. Is there a problem?
No. No problem. I didn't know you could cook.
Well, honestly, I had to get used to it, but I like it now.
Andy,
Right. I'm shutting up.
let's head back.
Oh, I wonder what's inside. Could it be a new kind of monster?
Do we have to go back already?
Don't you have a mission? I don't see a reason for you to stay here for long.
Commander, I won't ask why you left. But are you really going to stay here?
I'm no longer a knight. I left that title behind willingly.
Commander, the cleaning you do, you're defeating dangerous monsters, right? That's just like what a knight does.
No, it isn't. I handle threats to the town because it is my duty as a maid. Do you understand?
Commander, I understand that you live here in this town now, but...
My only ambition is a clean inn and a peaceful place to call home. I believe I've made myself clear. Leave now, please.
Esther! Esther! Orcs! The orcs have attacked again! They're kidnapping people!
Miss Nia, she headed into town just a while ago.
What? Are you sure?
Yes. She wanted to buy some snacks to serve your friends.
Got it. Please stay inside the inn.
No, let us help you.
Yes, we can help lead people back to the inn.
All right. Let's go.
Orcs!
I see orcs over there.
Ha! Eat this! Frost first! Stop right there! Huh?
I guess I'll have to do more than just talk this time.
So, how do we find that thing, though?
Well, we'll know it when we see it.
I believe I warned you not to come back here.
It's that freak maid! Stop her! Find it!
Whatever it is you're looking for, just give up and get lost. Rowdy guests will be disposed of. I'll clean this up. This place could use a dusting.
Oh, Esther, thank you. Thank you so much.
Have you seen Miss Nia?
I think I saw her earlier, further into town.
Miss Nia is in danger. I'll be off now.
It's this one! This one is definitely that thing!
Miss Nia!
Hidden cloud style secret technique. Custom cuts. I'll clean this up. This place could use a dusting. Miss Nia, are you all right? You're not hurt, are you?
Yes, I'm all right.
I'm just a bit startled. How about you, Esther? Are you not hurt?
Why did the orcs try to kidnap you?
I have no idea. I'm just an ordinary innkeeper.
That freak. Why is that thing we're looking for close to that freak maid? Look, isn't that one also that thing? That pure whatchamacallit, you know? Shh, quiet. Let's sneak him away.
Friar Ragdoll. Friar Ragdoll is gone.
Hold on. Calm down, Siamese. When's the last time you saw Friar Ragdoll?
We were guiding people to the inn together. Could the orcs have taken him?
I just don't understand. Why would the orcs take him?
Let's go. We can figure that out later. Gotta save him first. Commander?
Esther? Yes. Let's go back to the inn. I'll escort you to safety.
No need. Since the orcs are gone, I can go back to the inn on my own. Please help our guests find Friar Ragdoll. I'm counting on you to do this for me, Esther.
Yes, Miss Nia. South. That's where the orc camp is.
Stop right there!
Interruptions end here. All will be made equal and one under the void. Awaken your true selves at once.
His energy is unusual. Be careful.
Go, void descendants.
Hidden cloud-style secret technique. Hunter cuts! This place could use a dusting. I'll clean this up. I'll dispose of this rubbish. Hut! Ha!
The Void followers have Friar Ragdoll.
Sister Siamese, will you tell me what you know?
That priest in black before. I'm sure he's a Void follower. They worship the primordial darkness, where nothing exists. I'm sure they're the ones who spread the corruption.
So they're the people we were after.
Let's go. I'm not sure what they're up to, but I won't let things go their way. We're going to rescue Friar Ragdoll. There's no telling what we'll face, so be careful.
Huh? This place... The corruption is fainter here. There might be something else fighting against the void.
This place is called the Spirit Hills. Could it be spirit power?
Is that so?
Let me handle this. Let's get this party started. Stop there! You'll be frozen solid!
What is this glowing stone? Some kind of jewel?
How odd, this place doesn't seem corrupted. A concentration of pure primal power. I've heard that great spirits are born from jewels like this. Yeah? I've got an exquisite idea. We can extract the magic here and remove every last drop of the corruption.
What are you doing?
It's not like you'd understand if I told you. Out of my way.
I'm sorry to bother you, but I'd like to pass through.
Ha! All right, ready to get going? All right, we're gonna need way more monsterlings. Whoa, awesome!
You can trust me. It's just a little pinch. Don't be scared. This is for your own good. Found your best spot. This is a bit flashy for my taste, but don't slash.
My turn to shine. Eat this! Frost first! Time to lock in. How's this? Stop there!
You can trust me. It's just a little pinch.
Let me handle this. You'll be frozen solid. I'll pierce you. How's this? Now, let's get this party started. Stop there. How's this? That wasn't even a challenge.
Flare, come here.
Yeah.
Hey!
Yeah.
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 Yup. Hey! Yup. That monster over there! Is that a new species? Maybe not. Hey!
Sure. 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 Sure.
Yup.
Nuh-uh.
Yup. Yup.
Hello, adventurers. What can I help you with? Hello, adventurers.